Hey guys, today I have got the CoolerMaster MWE Bronze 750 V3 power supply. Now let's quickly unbox and see if it's worth it. As you can see inside the box, you get the documentation, the power cable and the PSU. Its build quality feels solid and it comes with a 120 fan. Now let's talk about some key highlights. Its 750W power, 80 plus bronze efficiency and ATX 3.1 support for modern GPUs. Now it also uses DC to DC design for stable performance and required HDP fan. Perfect for mid to high-end builds like RTX 3060 or 4060 setups. And it has also 5 years warranty. Good performance and value for money, but cables are non-modulars. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more PC and other content. Bye-bye.